Presiden ke United Democratic Party UDP Bah Lingdo hak arpo artrik Jembang ula Kyntait ya ke khubor bayade berkejing thmu jong MLA ke Mokerwan Bah Renikton Lingdo tongkhar ban leit penyaso iladi syaka National People's Party dak ke baong kamdan satya ke bakum kata ke bapen I ba unmi no na ke party kani kajing pensyai kelawan long hadin bakat tu kani kinong kersan jong Bah Renik dangshen kilalit penyaso iladi syaka NPP kebala penmi ikijingnya keren ba ula bandet penyaso syaka NPP kinong kersan ngamtip balay Henry kilong light duit banlet shani syatai na kawai ka party syaka pan Henry kidekat belajit kim long ki balait luit banle yakata kila syate hakaan bat kin haban le kat kum kaan ong ubak medba haba keren syakilat tai khubor kumba kalong menta kamdan satya ka aka ka bakum kata ba ubak renik unmi no na ka party ula ong haba benram ba uju yakindu ya uni unong mikmat ka mau kerwat na ka por syakapor hoon ngayay beteng ban yakindu ya u na ka por syakapor hoon ula keren syai bakam dan satya ka bakum kata ba un kenriak no nakaseng kumbalong menta halor ka jingmi no kinong kersan jong ubak renik uhe ka UDP ula ong bakaseng kala IT ha ka unit jong kathan bakan bishar benya ya ka jinglong jingman haba phai sya ka rukom trekam ka party ngi ha ka UDP ngi ngait scam baki beriu ki badan ha ki shnong ki thau ki dei ki bakong santam ki bangi ha ban shim kha shwa ban shim ya ka nu ka sin jam ni rai ula ong haba kili halor ka jingken no sha be thong hai ki wei pat ki party uba met ba ula ong ba om dei ban pensturi ki bakum ki ni ki jing bat benram ngait ka shong ha ubriu shimen udkhat jong ka ying dorbar ba ha ban rai.
See, supporters definitely it all depends. I don't know why, but they are free to move here and there from one party to another party, A to B to C to D. But elected members they are not free to do that. They have been binded by the law, and they have to be, act and behave as per the law. So as of now, there's nothing as such that Bah Renik is, leaving the party. So you see, first of all, when it comes to how the party functions, we in UDP strongly believe that the people who are at the grassroots level are the most important people which you have to take into consideration before making any move or decision. So in this aspect also, I would like to say that we have already shared this which the local party leaders at Mokerwat also is aware of to look into the matter and examine and come back to us in case of any support or any kind of help they needed as far as party organization in Mokerwat. Yeah, I keep on meeting him almost every now and then. I keep on meeting whenever.
So he made clear any
Yeah, he made clear.
that he will be leaving.
Yeah, yes.
He made clear.
There's nothing as such that he's moving out from the party as of now.